My name is Marco Adornetto. I'm the chef here at Zane State College, Culinary Arts Department. This is Jonathan Paula. He's a second-year student. This recipe is going to be for ribs. There's a million different ways to do ribs out there. You'll hear different ways: smoke them, pre-cook them, put them on the grill. This is just one way to do it that we find is kind of simple. What we do is we get foil, and I double wrap this foil. And these are just big stacks. Then grab the size of ribs. Get ready to flip it over. A little sea salt. This is sea salt. Flip it one more time. Fresh cracked pepper. And then we wrap it up real tight. Like I say, there's a lot of different ways to do ribs. If you get on the internet, you'll find a million different varieties, and you'll say it's the best one they've ever seen, it's the best recipe, and that's fine. But I say find something you like to do, easy, keep it simple, that it tastes really nice. And I double wrap it just so it doesn't get a hole in it. Because what happens is, you put this in a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. When you open them up, you want them just to be coming off the bone. They're really nice. This will go in that oven underneath the flat top. Now what we do is we're going to make a barbecue sauce. You want to go get your mise en place there, sir? Barbecue sauce, just like the ribs. There's a million different barbecue sauces out there you can try and use. I don't know which ones people like, but toy around with them. You can buy them, like Sweet Baby Ray's. That's a good brand. There's all kinds of good brands out there. Or make your own. But when you make your own, always experiment. More onions, garlic, tomato, sweetness, cider vinegar, sea salt, cumin, paprika, brown sugar, and we'll add some more pepper to that too. Garlic. Hot pan. I always preach on that. It's not hot, it's my fault. And this will cook for approximately, after you get it made, 20 minutes. Okay, you can add your other ingredients if you want. So now we just cook this up for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, we can come over here now. Need a big hook up. So then here's a rack of ribs that were done. So we just pulled out of the oven. Could you give me a big mixing bowl, please? Now they'll be hot. There's steam in here, so you gotta be careful. That's 2 hours, and they're coming right off the bone. That's what you want. So what I do is, if you don't have color on them, you can always put them underneath a broiler or on a grill to char them up, make them nice and brown. So we do this, and you could serve them like whole rack or half rack, quarter racks, or you cut them into small pieces. What we do here is, because we're always tasting things, we'll cut them into, if I can find where you cut them at. Oh, this one's wrong. And then put them on the grill or into a pan. Can I have that barbecue sauce, that 1 second batch you already did? Okay, just pour some of that over. Just a little bit, just to coat it. This is hot. It's very hot, so be very careful. And then you can put them in a pan, just a little bit more. Let them marinate in this sauce, or serve them right now. What we'll do is, I got the burner sauce. What we do is, we'll put them in a pan, put them in the oven like this with a little more sauce on top, cook them for about 20 minutes, and then serve them. And for the ethnic food fair, usually there's 350 people there, so we'll need 350 riblets for people to do. And that's your rib special. That's Jonathan's recipe.